it has been a hot second since I posted a vlog, and I really missed you a lot. Life has just been going on. Life has just been happening. And I thought I would post this video real quick to show you what I've been doing, what we're up to. I promise we're not going away. We are working really hard on some behind the scenes things for Debtisdum. And then, you know, managing life in a house. But we have still been vlogging dinners. So Josh will have a dinner vlog going up. Tonight is a date night, so probably tomorrow. I said, honey, I'm too tired. He said, let's go out on a date. And I said, I'm too tired to go on a date. Can we stay home? So we are getting takeout and we're gonna watch a movie on Netflix, and that's gonna be our date night tonight. But T just got home from school and she is eating her lunch. She had braids in her hair, so she's excited that her hair is curly. But anyway, yeah, that's been, life is good. Life is so good. This new year, I am like, we're gonna do this, like not just set goals or dreams, but actually do the action that it's taking. And so we've been doing really well, guys. How are you? Check-in wise, how are you doing with your New Year's goals or resolutions? So I'm going into almost the 3rd week of January. It's like going really fast. I watched that documentary on Netflix that the one thing that I watched ended up motivating me so much. The KonMari, am I saying that right? Marie Kon, I don't know. That KonMari method, that organization method, that thing that's on Netflix is so good, you guys. I thought I gotta get on here and see what everyone's talking about. So it motivated me so much that I got, my kitchen is disorganized and it's driving me bananas. And I went and I got really cool things from the dollar store, like tins and stuff to like organize my pens and my junk drawer. Look, I got these muffin tins or loaf pans to organize like junk drawers and stuff like that, which I thought was a great idea, but I've been too busy to even do that. So watch that show. If you watch it, it's gonna motivate you. So there's the disclaimer. Anyway, so life is good, guys. We are taking regular date nights, my honey and I, but then we're taking like business date nights on top of that. So we actually, Josh and I get together every week because we have all these dreams that are just like, and visions that we want for our YouTube channel, for you guys, for a better life, for things that we can do to help make your life better. That's what I was trying to say. And there's a lot that we can do. And when we came back in September to YouTube, there was just this fire. There was just this beautiful fire that I don't know if we've ever had. And it was just this, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but for today, we are going to just love on people and encourage them and inspire them. And I feel like we're living our best life, guys. We are working in our element. Like making these printables and these cash envelopes brings so much joy. I wish you could see us on the other side and what it's like. And sometimes our date nights are just in the office making cash envelopes, and sometimes it's a whole day where we're in making cash envelopes together. And it's just thank you for buying our cash envelopes. Hopefully I hear good things. I hear a lot of good things from you guys on how it's going, as well as our budget forms. And the budget forms and the printables and things like that is kind of my baby. That's something that just has brought so much life and so much joy to me, to find my thing that, you know, I've always kind of loved social media and marketing and that whole thing. Not in a corporate way, that's not me, but I just, it's so fun. It is so fun. So basically all this rambling is hey, how are you? Our life is good. You could kind of, our dinner vlogs, we've tried to expand a little bit more and include kind of like more vlog style in our dinner vlogs. And so everything's going really great there. And I have videos planned. I have footage that I need to be editing and uploading. But first and foremost, this year, I am 2 things. I am focusing on doing one thing really well at a time. I tend to be an all or nothing girl. I either have nothing going on, which is rare, or I have all the things going on and then I go crazy. So we are working on one thing at a time, and it's going really well, guys. And then the second thing is I don't know if you have if you know Rachel Hollis. Everybody knows who Girl Wash Your Face is Rachel Hollis. And I listened to her podcast, and one podcast was saying now to start every day, this is how she starts her day. She will write a list of things that she's grateful for. It shifts your focus right away. And then she will write her dreams down as if they've already happened. So like, I get to write down like paying off my mortgage as if it's already happened. Going on weekly date nights with my husband as if it's already happened. Whatever. And then you pick one thing that you can do that day. Because I tend to go crazy and have lots of to-do lists, and I love lists, but not everything gets done on those lists. And so you pick one thing that you can do to move yourself closer to that dream. It has been life-changing, you guys, just life-changing. So that's why I haven't been posting videos, not on social media as much, because I've been focusing on my one thing. And I'm going to show you a preview. Okay, so Josh has no idea that I'm showing you this, so we're just not gonna say anything, okay? But this is our website. So we used to have a website, hi baby, and it just didn't serve the purpose that we wanted it to. We just didn't use it. It was a few years ago. Some of you guys might remember. We just weren't overly thrilled with how it was going, and I don't know, I just didn't like it. So we wanted a website, you guys, that encompasses like us. Our life is all over the place on social media. We have, YouTube vlogs. We have budget forms. We have an Etsy shop. I want to do blogging. And then we have each of our little personalities. And so we thought, let's give ourselves a website. Now we are total DIY version. Okay, guys, this is so on the cheap, and I am learning everything. This is my doing something hard, because IT is not my friend. Like, I have Googled all the things to try and get this far, but I want to show you a sneak peek. Now this website will hopefully go live on Sunday. I gave Josh, he's the one responsible for hooking up our domain, which is just Debtisdum.com, and on all those things. I don't do that part, but I said, Sunday, honey, we're gonna do this on Sunday. So we have a new logo, guys. Debtisdum, lifestyle, finance, inspiration. I just love that logo. It encompasses our life, what we're about, how we want to help you guys, how we're just in this together. And so just some information on us, about us. If you didn't know all the things about us, you can read this and you'll know all the things. We just love our community so much. So this is some items from our shop, like our budget forms. These are still available in our Etsy shop, guys. But on this new website, we have our shop tied into it that's just digital products. So Etsy isn't going anywhere. We love Etsy. But we wanted to put some of our downloads, all of our downloads on a page where, our blog and everything live too. So just some bestsellers. You can click on these to go find more information, some of the things that we believe in, our dinner vlogs, and then there's always links that you can click on and go right to our dinner vlogs, our favorite playlists on YouTube, budgeting, food, family, and hauls. So everything is just kind of corralled into one space. You can contact us. My Instagram feed is down there. And our shop, let me show you our shop. I'm really proud of it. I think it's so pretty. I love the colors. We have actually a brand with colors now, which I just put that off forever and ever, and we needed to do that. And so now it's finally done. So we have blue and this pretty kind of green picked out for our brand colors. And so here's all of our forms linked to a shop, so you can actually get on here and purchase them right from here. It's so cool. So if you want more information, you just click on that, hi TT, and it pulls up the information on that system. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. I love that. I love how it all looks. Just some more information about us. My hubby died when he saw a picture of himself, but I was like, you're scruffy and it's kind of cute. So I'm going to put you on our website. We have a newsletter, guys. I want to, like, social media is so noisy that I have wanted to do a newsletter for so long to connect with you in your inbox. I love receiving emails more than I love being on Facebook. I'm just not going to lie. And then my blog. So I have a WordPress blog, and it's just cool. I could put all my thoughts about faith or family or finances down in one spot, and it's so much easier than you know, than filming a YouTube video sometimes, because then I could put it down into steps or bullet points and make it really, really easy. So there's our blog. I'm planning blog posts based on what you guys have commented, what you've said that you need help with, and things like that. I just love it. I love it. Do you love it? I hope you love it as much as I do, because Josh comes home from work every day and I'm honestly jumping up and down. Honey, you gotta see this, and you gotta see this. And every day the website gets better, and then I tweak it some more and I'm like, honey, you gotta see this. It's even better than it was yesterday. But so much frustration went into that, but it's always worth it, right, guys? When you do something that just like fries you, because it's so hard to learn, and then you finish it and you're like, bonus, I just upped my resume. Not that it matters, but by a lot. So another thing that I needed help balancing my crazy life. All three girls are in all three different schools, and some have early pickups and some have late pickups, and sometimes there's early release. And so I have all the timers set on my phone. Do you mamas or ladies do that too? Where you set a timer for, it's bananas. My timers are bananas. So then that wasn't enough. So I started Google Calendar. Do you guys Google Calendar? Like, where has this been my whole life? Look at how pretty this is, you guys. So there is my Google Calendar. It's free, absolutely free. And it syncs. We have iPhones. It syncs to my iPhone. It will set alarms for me. We have been doing high fives, honey and I, up at 4 a.m. to work out. I'm up at 4:45, and then it just like lists all. I'm gonna do a vlog. It's so good. It is so good at helping me organize my life that I need to do a vlog about how I keep track of all the things, because it's bananas. So one more thing that we're working on, because our girls have grown up and we need to develop a new kids budget for them, a budget system. It's like our budget system, our big pack, but miniature size for kids. So, and we've wanted a system that is encompassing for our 5-year-old up to our 14-year-old. Who's a little too young for our regular budget. So we are working, Josh and I, after I wrap up this website, which I think today I can hit the done button and really be done with the website, which is really exciting. It will be live on Sunday. Hold us to it. We're saying Sunday. And then we will post a video on our channel about, we have a fun giveaway. We have a really fun, we've been wanting to do a giveaway, but now having a website and a newsletter where we can communicate with you guys, it's just a whole lot of reason to give away stuff. I'm gonna sneeze. So we will post that on Sunday, you guys, with more information, and you can check out and mess with our website and just let us know what I can't wait to hear your feedback. So the kids, like I have this list of things. Josh, on our business date night, we wrote down things that we want our kids' budget to have. And like things like deposits and withdrawals, expense tracker, their own little expense tracker, 3 jars with savings. So the same jar that we use for saving, we want to use it for them. A DIY cash envelope. So there's going to actually be a printable with a cash envelope that your kiddos can print on any color paper they want to, 8.5 by 11, and glue and make their own cash envelopes. So fun. And labels. Josh was like, some 5-year-olds need jars because they're very visual. So they like to see their quarters go into a jar. So we're going to do labels to stick on your jars. And so it teaches the kiddos how to do sinking funds too. And then a blank notes page, so you parents can write down anything you want. So I get to start designing this, and these printables give me life, guys. I love creating them so much. And so that's what we've been working on behind the scenes, trying so hard my best to do one thing at a time, but do it really well. And be a mama and spend some time cuddling my babies and just enjoying life. I think that's the best explanation right now, is I'm just enjoying everything in my life, and it's great. So how are you guys doing with your New Year's resolutions and goals? I really want to know. This is just a brief check-in just to post this. I'll get it up right away and check in and say I love you and I'm thinking about you, and videos will return to normal soon. That kids thing that I just told you about, we're gonna launch it probably the end of February, and it's gonna be, the kids pack will be free. That's like a free gift with another thing that we're gonna launch. So, but you can actually get the kids thing for free, and we are so excited, so exciting. So we have exciting things planned for Debtisdum, you guys. Great ways to be able to communicate with you in the future and hopefully serve you better and help you be inspired. If it's not, you know, to pay off a ridiculous amount of debt, maybe it's to go do that thing that your heart has been wanting to do, but you've been too afraid to do it, or for a million reasons you haven't done it. Whatever way that is, we're just happy to be in community with you, and I know Josh would say these same words, just thank you.